fly. This fly needs to shut up. Hey guys, it's Angie, your new favorite YouTuber. Psych. Today I'm going to be doing this makeup look, so if you want to see how I did it and the rest of my outfit, then stay tuned to watch me struggle through it. So I'm going to start off with foundation. This Organic Wear's CC Cream by Physicians Formula. I can't do makeup in a weird way. Everyone always tells me. So I'm going to start off by putting a few drops on my face. That's a big drop. Okay, this is huge. I just realized I forgot to put primer on. I guess. I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about myself. I'm from Venezuela. I was born and raised there. Moved here when I was 7. I like to sing. I play guitar. Well, not really, kind of. I like to tell myself that I play guitar. I'm 17. My birthday's in August 20th, so I'm a Leo. People tell me I'm a really strong Leo. Like, you know how there's a description of each sign? Like a general description? I fit very well into that description. Which is a good thing and a bad thing, I guess. I've wanted to do YouTube for a while now. But first, I didn't think my camera was too good for this. When I got a new camera. Oh, I'm into photography. I like the photography. Alright, so what else about me? I just graduated high school. I'm gonna be starting college soon in the fall. I'm undecided as to what I want to do. Oh, one thing I know for sure is I want to move to Europe once I graduate from college. I live in Miami. I've lived here for 11 years now. I moved here when I was 7. I'm gonna go in with concealer now. For this, I'm gonna be using NARS Medium 1 Custard Soft Matte Complete Concealer. It looks like that. And this is supposed to be a foundation brush, but so usually I don't do concealer under my eyes. I just conceal if I have any spots. Well, I mean, I can't complain. My skin isn't bad. I just get a few pimples every now and then. When it comes to my skincare routine, it's mostly just, like, I don't really have one. I just wash my face with soap and that's it. And I do like a face mask every now and then. Well, it's more like a scrub. It's this like charcoal and black sugar one from CVS. Fun fact about me, I have like a million birthmarks, moles, freckles. Different people call them different things. I call them birthmarks. My cousin once tried to count how many I have, and she couldn't because she lost count. And that was just in my face and neck. But I have freckles everywhere. I mean, not freckles, birthmarks everywhere. So I'm gonna go back with my beauty blender. And this is not usually where I do my makeup, so I'm not used to doing my makeup in this lighting. I should be doing my makeup in this lighting because it's natural light. I do not have any friends or know anyone who does YouTube, so it's very like, I'm very like putting myself out there because I don't have anyone who relates to this right now. I use this brush that is very handy to me because I use it for like all my powders. I'm gonna use the Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder in the shade Sandstorm 004. Alright, so it looks like that. Only thing is it's half empty. And I love this powder because, like, it's called Stay Matte. And it gives you such a matte finish.
They say I'm really sexy. The boys they wanna sex me. They always standing next to me, always dancing next to me, trying to feel my hump.
I usually don't do eyeshadow at all or eyeliner, but for the sake of this video and because I felt like experimenting, I'm gonna do, I think, a wing liner and like a little light brown eyeshadow. Then I go in with my Hoola from Benefit. I think this is the medium shade. For this, I just use the little brush it comes with. I have a sister and a brother. My sister is 25 and my brother is 30. She lives pretty close, like half an hour from here. And my brother lives in Spain. He's married and has 2 kids. I have a really big family. Like, my mom has like 9 siblings and my dad has 4. Then I go on to blush. I do blush pretty weirdly. I like to go for kind of like a sunburn look, I guess. And the blush I used was the Estee Lauder. It was this shade right here. Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy Sculpting Eyeshadow 12. The blush I used is the Pure Color Blush 02 Pink Kiss. This is like really nice packaging. I love it. What I do is I just go in like that and then like that. Back in with the same brush. I like dust it off on my hand like that in between different powders. I don't know, that makes a difference. Then I go in with the highlight. The highlight I use is the Maybelline New York Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter in the shade 100 Molten Gold or Fondue. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. It looks like that. I go again with the same brush, dust it off. I don't feel like buying different brushes for different powders. And then I press down on my brush like that. I go like that. A little bit on my nose. Yes, I know I look funny. But look at that highlight. See? Breaks out, even if I don't have a fan brush. So for my eyebrows, I use Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Chocolate. I used to use a lot of brow pencils, but those would run out super fast. Like, it would last me maybe like a month, and it was like $10 each. I looked into these, and this cost me like 20 bucks maybe. It's lasted me like more than a year, I think. So what I do with the Dip Brow Pomade is I put it on the lid so that it's not so pigmented. So then I use my little hula container. Yep. I put this part facing down so it doesn't dry up, and then this part facing up on the bottom, also so it doesn't dry up. So I grab a little bit from the lid. I have really light eyebrows, and there was a point where I wouldn't even leave my room without doing my eyebrows because I was embarrassed of my brows. And once I figured out I could fill them in, that was such a game changer for me. I didn't do my makeup until I was like 15 maybe, and for my 15s I got my makeup done and the guy filled in my brows, and I was like, whoa, I look so much better with my eyebrows filled. So from then on I started filling in my brows. What I do is I get them waxed, and then as I go growing out little hairs, I pluck them myself. And I can go months without getting them waxed by someone. But the last time I got them waxed was like, I think it was for prom, which was May 31st. So it was what, like a month ago? Let me know in the comments if you would like me to make a video about my prom experience. I mean, it was pretty okay, it wasn't great. I can tell you why if you want to see that video. And then sometimes what I do is I pat on the lid where the product is, and then I pat it on here to give it a darker look. There's 8 people living in this house. My cousins and their parents, and my parents and I always say the longer I take on my brows, the worse they look. I didn't start YouTube until now because I was in high school and I was kind of nervous of what people might say. A las 4. Next week, I am going to Europe to visit my brother, visit some family I have over there, and just travel because I love Europe. And then I lost track of what I'm saying so easily. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna do an e.l.f. palette. It's called Matte for Matte, and I'm just gonna go in with this brown shade right here.
They say I'm really sexy. The boys they wanna sex me. They always standing next to me, always dancing next to me, trying to feel my hump, looking at my lump. You can look, but you.
Well, it's looking wonderful. Orange is my favorite color. Even though I barely like wear or have anything that's orange, it's still my favorite color. I find it so pretty.
I'm just trying to dance, boy.
Put some highlight on my inner corner. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with this, which I don't know what it's called. I actually bought this when I would use brow pencils, and this is like a marker. This is like a marker for your brows, and then, but this is dry by now. On the other side, there's like a little winged eyeliner. I always mess up my eyeliner, and then I end up having to go in with like makeup remover. What I do is I just like dab on along the line, like my lash line, starting from where my lashes start.
They say I'm really sexy. The boys they wanna sex me. They always standing next to me, always dancing next to me, trying to feel.
This is the part where I always mess up.
You can look, but you can't touch it. If you touch it, I'ma start some drama.
Well, I've talked about it with my friends, like doing YouTube, but no one in my family knows I'm doing this. So my cousins, who are right next door, probably like, what is this girl? Why is she talking to herself? And they don't speak English, so they don't know what I'm saying. The struggle of being cheap.
My lovely lady lumps. My humps, they got you.
I should have just done my everyday makeup routine. I'm also very crafty, which is not with makeup, as you can tell. I also speak Portuguese, but not like 100%. I took like 3 years of Portuguese in high school. And the funniest part is I have Portuguese family like from Portugal. I know Brazilian Portuguese, and I really like languages. I want to learn French and Italian too, at least. Alright.
The boys they wanna sex me. They always standing next to me, always dancing next to me, trying to feel my hump, looking at my lump. You can look, but you can't touch it. If you touch it, I'ma start some drama. You don't want no drama. No drama. No drama. So
Enough of eyeliner. I'm done with eyeliner. I hate eyeliner. I'm not nearly as bad with mascara as I am with eyeliner. Sometimes I'll get like black makeup or like dots from who knows what on my face or on my hands or something, and I'll be like, is that a birthmark that was always there, or is that just dirty? Most of the times it's a birthmark that's always been there, and I'm just there like an idiot trying to erase it. Honestly, I think I'm not going to do any makeup videos in the future. Maybe my everyday makeup, but not any makeup involving eyeliner.
They got you.
I use the CoverGirl So Lashy Blast Pro. This is actually not my favorite mascara. My favorite mascara is the pink CoverGirl one. I don't know what it's called, but I ran out of it, and what I liked about it was that it was brown, and so it looked very like natural, but it made my lashes look way bigger. I ran out, and then when I went to buy it, they only had like a deep black color, and then I've looked for it different places and I can't find it. Maybe if I look online I can find it. If you guys know what I'm talking about and where to find it, let me know. So I'm gonna prime my lips with this NYX lip primer in the shade L Pro 2 Deep Nude. I don't know why lip primers have shades. I find that pointless. Like, does anyone wear lip primer with nothing on top? Alright. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Kiss matte lipstick. I don't ever wear non-matte lipstick or like lip gloss or any of that because I hate it. I don't know if it's because of the primer or because of the lipstick, but it stays on all day. When I went to Europe last time, I would use this every day, and my mom would tell me like, what lipstick are you using? It like doesn't come off. And then I go in with my setting spray. That is the final result. So this is, even though it looks like a dress, it's actually a romper. It's from Garage. It just has like a little crossover over here, and then this necklace is from Aeropostale. This, what I'm wearing right here, is it's not a bralette. I use it as a bralette. It's actually a bathing suit top. Crosses over in the back. The regular romper is just these straps, and then the other two are from the bathing suit. That I bought in Garage too. These I bought in Venezuela. This is my dad's engagement ring, my mom's graduation ring. My aunt bought it for me at Disney, and this one I bought in Venezuela. For earrings, I have these, which I bought in Forever 21. They came in like a pack. And then I have these, which are fake piercings because I don't have any other piercings other than the regular ones. And I bought these in College Spring. And so I have these shoes on right now. They are from Agassi. Sorry about the noise outside. Yep, the noise outside. Sorry about the noise going on outside. They're like mowing the lawn or something. Whatever. That was the finished look. This is the mess I made. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this face, which I don't know why you would, but okay. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to get notified of every time I post a new video. I am going to try to post at least one new video per week. Make sure to ding the little bell to get notified if I post. Stay tuned for my Europe travel vlogs. Those are gonna be fun. Also, comment down below what you want to see me do on this channel, because I really need your input to see where we can take this. I'm gonna leave all the links to my social medias down below. I'm gonna put on there Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, which I barely use, Twitter, and any other social media I can think of. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you soon. Hopefully I'll try my best. Bye. I'm gonna go edit now. Alright, Siri, how do you edit a video?